You know, that was pretty unbelievable. Somehow I taped that a whole other part upside down, so I'll have to put these together. So I talked about I'll just make it a separate video, in the introductory video to this, what all these elements are. I'm bending over to do this. Makes my voice croaky. So this is done from life. And because I was doing this to exhibit in a figurative art show, I took it farther than I might have taken just a self-portrait to see what I look like to myself these days. So here, I talked about all of these on the other video, or what might be the first part of this video, all of these elements, and showed you a picture of them. Okay, so this is a mirror. It is a tabletop vanity or dressing mirror, Chinese one made of hinoki. I brought that back from Taiwan. It has a mirror. The mirror has a convex section. It reflects more of the same image, okay? A part of it. Behind my head, but reflected, my arm is jiggling all over the place because of this. Okay, so reflected behind me is a painting by my father. Another advantage, okay, not advantage, when you're working straight from life, you do tend to get more brush strokes and more painterly. Okay. This is what I like to share on the videos. I hope I'm not going too quickly over all of this. So that right there is a detail of etched glass on the mirror. My jewelry of note is a St. Christopher. Mary and I got matching ones down at Skechers, as maybe at our 50th high school reunion. And I've had it on ever since. This is a Evil Eye and Hand of Fatima necklace, and this necklace down here actually has lapis lazuli or lazuli on it. I have other necklaces too, but I didn't get them in. I thought I might have them in, but this is what I had room for when I painted it. In front of the glass is a magazine photograph of Little Richard, and then you can also see reflected in the glass the back of this photo. And then here you can see that this is the wood, and the wood reflected in the glass. So the paper is in front of the glass, and you can see it's in front of the glass by that detail there. Let's see. My face looks a lot wider than it is. That's just how it came out. Gosh, that's a funny detail there. No, it's just a brush stroke. I wonder if I'll change it. I doubt it. Okay, and then on the other video, you can see the actual view is not this up close of the tree and this wall here. I just left it. And this is a glass paperweight back here, and a palm tree and the ocean that I can see beyond the mirror. So I just had fun putting different layers in. Did I go over the whole page? No, we got lost at Little Richard here. And Little Richard is a part of my concluding thesis, sentence of my master's thesis, which is Little Richard refers to people as God's bouquet. And when you do portraits of people, that's what you see. I think I said everything I needed to say on this one. And I haven't shown the finished piece yet. It will be in Shockboxx in March. I think we're delivering them this weekend. I know we're picking up from the last show, I think. Anyway, coming up, the Figurative Art Show. And so I thought that a self-portrait would be a good contribution. And I'm having, it was a good stimulus. All right. Let's see. Oh, please